So today we're going to learn what complementary and supplementary angles are. So complementary angles are angles that sum to 90 degrees. So these two angles that I have here, 40 and 50, you can see they sum to 90 degrees. So those angles are called complementary angles. And you can see these angles are adjacent to each other, or another way to say that is next to each other. So they're beside each other. So if you have two adjacent angles that are 90, that sum or add up to 90 degrees, those are called complementary angles. Now they don't have to be adjacent angles or right beside each other. They can be two separate angles. So for instance, right here, let's say this angle, let's just call it 45. I know it's not 45 degrees. Let's call it 45 degrees, and then we had another one here. Which is also an angle of 45 degrees. So these two sum to 90 degrees. So these are non-adjacent angles. And these are also complementary. So we're going to talk about supplementary angles. These are angles that sum to 180 degrees. So let's, for instance, let's draw one here. So let's say we had something like a straight line. Say that this is the midpoint, and we had a angle like this, and let's call this 45 degrees. And 45, 180 minus 45, 135. So this angle here would be 135 degrees. So if you sum these together, they add up to 180 degrees, or supplementary angles. So now, like I said before, so these are adjacent or right beside each other, but they don't have to be. You could have separate angles that add up to 180 degrees and are considered supplementary. So just to do something very quick, let's say we had something like this. Let's say we called this 135, and then we had another one here, and called this one 45 degrees. So these two here are also supplementary because they add up to 180 degrees, and non-adjacent, not beside each other. Alright, so if this was helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and comment.